Facebook sign up. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign up on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to sign up or create an account on Facebook, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Facebook app. And if you already have an account, by the way, you can log into that account. But of course, assuming that you don't have an account and you want to sign up, which means you want to create a new account, then just tap the create new account button here. As you do that, just tap on get started and simply make sure to enter your first name and last name that you would like to use in this case. Once you've done that, just tap the next option. And in order to actually create a Facebook account, what you need to do is you need to have access to either the email address or the phone number. So you need to have email or phone number in order to create an account. And also make sure you're at least over 18 years of age, and then just tap the next option. So now just select his gender, tap on the next option, and also make sure to enter your mobile number, or if you want you can also sign up with an email address. You can create Gmail and use Gmail if you like, depending upon what else you prefer. Tap on the next option and your account will get successfully created after you finish setting up your passwords. This way you can sign up on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.